Okay, so now I'm going to introduce a discrete probability distributions. So discrete probability distribution means the random variable x, it can take the values, the exact values 0, 1, 2, etc. like that. So see, for example, the number of patients waiting in the hospital, or the number of road accidents in a given day, or the number of patients survives of an rare outbreak of disease, right? So these things, we call them as discrete random variables because they take exact number. Okay, so they don't take any decimals in between. So 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. So you have 20 patients, 1000 is the population size, like that. Okay, so under this situation, there is an important discrete probability distribution is binomial probability distribution. Binomial distribution. So why it is binomial? Because here the experiment, the random experiment, can take two possible outcomes. So that means if a patient is admitted for an operation, so the operation is successful or failure. So success or failure. Okay. So a patient, as a doctor, a patient comes to you, and based on the disease, you are giving some medication. All right. So you wanted to know the patient is cured or not cured. Okay, cured or not cured. So these are the male, female, success, failure, head, tail. Okay. So whenever there are only two possible outcomes are possible, then we use the binomial distribution to characterize the event. Okay. So the binomial probability distribution, the notation for binomial probability distribution is x follows binomial with parameters n, p. Okay, where n is the number of trials. Okay, number of trials or the sample size, number of trials, and p stands for the probability of success. What is the probability of success? And the formula to calculate the binomial probability is, this is a very, very important formula. So probability of x is taking the value small x. X stands for the random variable. Is taking the value small x is ncx p power x and q power n minus x, x equals to 0, 1, 2, etc. and goes up to n. And q is equals to 1 minus p. So p is the probability of success and q is the probability of failure. Okay, so the way to calculate q is 1 minus p. Okay. So now I'm going to solve a problem where the binomial distribution is applied or applicable.